Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Mark again here at Weatherman Plus. We have a big change going through this week, so you have these very cold temperatures, especially for tomorrow morning for Florida, for the southeast. It's going to be the coldest morning. But then we have this big storm that's coming in from the west, and it's going to be a coast-to-coast storm. This is going to bring chances for damage and winds, even tornadoes and large hail. So I'm going to go through the latest information. What are you going to expect from this next storm system coming through? Because it is going all the way from California and potentially all the way towards the northeast. Now, you can see for this morning, we're sitting all those frozen temperatures, all the freeze warning in all this dark blue. This will be for tomorrow for the southeast as well. We also have the red flag warnings for Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and the panhandle of Florida. So be aware of burning any fires. Watch out where your sparks go, because it could easily start a fire in this dry atmosphere. And we have the winter weather advisories in the purple, the winter storm warnings in the pink, where people are still going to see a lot of snow, especially the lake effect snow, which is adding up to almost a foot. And so far, we have 207 snowfall reports. So all these blue dots is where people are reporting getting snow. And the heavy snow is especially for northwestern Indiana and West Virginia, from what I can see, besides all this lake effect snow that is going to be kicking in. So if you're in these areas getting snow, let me know what you're getting down below. And this snow is still adding up all the way until tonight. Then for tomorrow morning, there's going to be more lake effect snow for the interior northeast. So it is adding up to multiple places in this pink that has anywhere from 6 to 7 inches up towards a foot of snow that's going to be coming down. And it's coming with a nasty wind chill as well. So it's going to be a very brutal cold outside, especially for your highs. Still going to be very cold today and tomorrow. Now, as this cold air moves through with the snow as well, as we go into tomorrow evening, we're going to start going to a different weather pattern where everything's warmer. We have this high ridge in the west, and that's going to carry across towards the east, and we have a storm system moving right behind it. Matter of fact, when you look at the latest data, you can see here on the EPO, the East Pacific Oscillation, that we're going to a deep trough along the west coast with our jet stream. This is this storm system coming in. I told you about last week. I told you it was coming in for Tuesday and Wednesday, pretty much for the 12th. The system is coming in. This is going to carry all the way across the U.S. So here's our latest update, everybody. As that cold air moves out through the northeast, we still have this storm system that's trying to be a cutoff low in the Pacific, still not being a cutoff low. It's still connected to the jet stream, but it gets pulled in from that trough, and we go into that very strong tilt as we go in from the 12th, and our jet stream goes far towards the south on the western side of the U.S. That's that lower trough that we've seen on the EPO. Now, this is going to bring it all the way across, bring severe weather into the coast of California for a little bit, but when it carries across the southern U.S., we're going to get another storm system. So we're going to get a trough of a storm system over here into Canada, while we get a trough of our storm system over here into the lower 48. Now, the one in Canada is going to help intensify this one that's a little further south into the lower 48, and we're going to get severe weather Saturday going into Sunday. Now, with these lining up the way they are, this really could be a pretty significant event, everybody, because this is still a revolving low pressure up here in the Canada that's going counterclockwise, and so is the one over here for the lower 48.